Making manner matter. Mastering on prepositions in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into the realm of prepositions, specifically focusing on as a preposition of manner. Understanding how to correctly use on can greatly improve both your written and spoken English. So, let's get started. The preposition on is often used to express the manner in which an action is performed. When used as a preposition of manner, on usually indicates that something is done in a certain way or style. Let's look at a simple example. He danced on rhythm. In this sentence, on is used to describe the manner in which the subject, he, is dancing. He is dancing in time with the rhythm. To solidify our understanding, let's take a look at a few more examples. 1. She is living on a tight budget. Here, on is describing the manner in which she is living, frugally and with careful attention to costs. 2. They rely on instinct. In this case, on is used to describe the manner of relying, using instinct as the guide. 3. The team worked on a voluntary basis. Here, on explains the manner of work, freely given without expecting payment. By studying and practicing such sentences, you'll get a better grip on using on as a preposition of manner. Now that you're familiar with examples, here are some tips to help you use on correctly. 1. Pay attention to context. Sometimes, on might indicate a position or time, such as in, on the table, or on Tuesday. 2. Practice makes perfect. Try to use on as a preposition of manner in your own sentences. This could be during conversation, writing an email, or even just thinking in English. 3. Remember, on is versatile. Don't limit its usage just as a preposition of manner. Explore its other functions in different contexts. And there we have it, our exploration of using on as a preposition of manner. I hope this video was helpful and you now feel more confident about using on in your English sentences. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time. Until our next language adventure, happy learning!